working hard so you don't have to. Like and subscribe. This is a Goodman unit that had its wheel explode, for lack of a better term, inside the wheel housing. So we replaced the wheel and put a new motor in. Enjoy. What I have here is a Goodman furnace that had a major problem with the wheel. As you can see, she collapsed and came right out of there with a holder in the middle. So we're going to be replacing the blower, motor, and the wheel. All right, and away we go. My screw can come out by hand here, and that looks like a 5/16 right here. And then I'll go right back in there. And then this has to come off, I believe. There's that one. Flip her over for me. Okay. Oh, I want to do that. I believe it's this one here. Jesus Christ. That's this. Look at that. That's just that. We have to then take this one off. I think both of these both of these have to come off. That one comes off. This one comes off. And then I got to get the other side still. Just hold it up real quick. That's tightening. Towards use these things. We better sand that end. Yeah, we got to get it off easy. And hopefully it'll just come out, unless we got to cut the shaft. Let's see. Okay, just hold it up so I can, well, it doesn't matter. Give me a second, Mark. Yeah, I'll do this. It can only go so fast. Here. Turn that wheel a little bit for me. Can you turn the wheel? Yeah, there you go. Very important you sand these things. I mean, in this case, we are getting a new wheel and a motor, so you could just cut the shaft, but that's a headache and a half. Turn it one more time, quarter turn or something. Other way. Just can't do that. There you go, something like that, maybe. Does that look good? It looks like I got this side to do still. Right here, turn this thing all the way around. Keep going, keep going. I want to get like right there. A little fresh part of the sandpaper. Just one little streak of rust can really hold you up. See how long I'm doing this for? I do it this long because we've had problems before, and it's much easier to sand it like crazy than it is to get stuck halfway through. Is this one going to fall out, or are we going to get to use the smacker? Smack is going to be involved in this one only because now he's going to take some oil there, as you can see, and oil her up. At times he'll take his finger and rub it around the shaft. You know. Yeah, take my finger and rub it around the shaft, rub baby. It up the shaft. A little in the hole. Move it up. Now. That might just lift right out. It might. What did I do with the damn smacker? Okay, it's down here. Look at that. Alright. See. No, it's going to be this hard. This one's deep too. Yeah, this is deep. Yeah, you're going to really have to. I don't really can't do much. My God. Go ahead, lift it up. Oh, look at that. It came out. It came out. Unbelievable, but true. Wow, that's 2 in a row. I don't know. I try to video this stuff. Yeah, we forgot to do this. I actually do use it. Yeah, it's that side. 5/16. Just 2 here. I'll just get it real quick. Okay, great. Oh, man.
my God.
If I ever saw.
Yeah, let me see that thing.
That thing's destroyed. Careful,
It
it's
is sharp as
everywhere.
hell, man. Wow.
Everywhere.
Yeah, look at that. Sometimes these things just do this. A lot of times it picks up water, like after a flood, people try to run their fan motor, and the extra weight of the water will just destroy these things.
Give me that hammer here.
Let me put this over here.
Oh, my. Somebody dented this in the bottom there. See that?
Wow, I wonder if that's the right housing for this thing. Hey, knock it out. See if we can knock it out. There it is. You got it. It's as good as it's going to get.
Yeah.
All
I
right.
don't know if that might have caused the exploding wheel is what I'm getting at.
I don't know how a dent would have done that, but yeah, make sure you're the right way. Yep, that looks correct. Set it up here, yeah.
5/16 there.
Hold on a second. Let me get this one in first. Look good. Look good. Lined up. This one is lined up. Okay.
This is a bitch alone. Two guys.
Well, two guys. You got a good helper.
Well,
You can do anything.
We need this piece.
Yeah, it's like a goofy setup here, man.
No, that goes. I know.
And here's the real question: where did I do with the screws for that?
Kidding with me over here. I don't know. Those are those. What'd you do with the screws? You're supposed to put them down here, like I always tell you. Didn't, and now we lost them. See?
Yeah, we'll find
right
it.
there.
Oh, look at that. They're just hiding. They're just hiding.
But they shouldn't be set on. They should set on.
Move it over a little.
Like I said.
Right there. All right there, chupacabra.
You do what you want.
Bring it over. That in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, did I do that backwards?
No, I don't think you did. This is
No,
the side
yeah,
with the
okay.
motor, right? Motor goes here.
Yeah.
Hey, you got it.
Yeah, I got it.
All right.
Okay, motor. Okay, I'll take it.
Yeah, grab the motor there.
Look at that shiny brand new.
Beautiful. And then the wires face me this way if you can, or down over here somewhere.
Yeah, I can do it right there.
Shaft does not look very long.
There you go.
Yep. You have all three of them screws?
Yeah, I need the, see this problem right here. You gotta take and get that off.
Oh, it's stuck in there, huh? Oh my God, that's really stuck.
Yeah.
Where the hell's the
Sort
bag?
of wedged pretty good.
I love using Nip-X personally. These are nice tools.
I can,
And Nip-X can go right in here and grab the thing just like this. And I'm gonna try one of these screwdrivers here. It's come right off, right? You would think. Oh, look, it doesn't want to move. Shit.
yeah, it's, I don't know, it's.
Here, you know what? Use your screwdriver and push on the back of the head. There you go. Oh no, you get right there. Go ahead, push.
I can't, I'm not hitting anything.
Sure, pull back towards you. Not down. Like a wedge, you know?
Sure, it's coming off, you got it.
Yeah,
It's almost there now.
No, that was you. That was you helping.
Oh,
Maybe this will get it. Hold on, let's see.
yeah, there.
There it goes. Grab it. It doesn't fall. Okay. Is that it? Or is there another one like that?
I gotta get mine, and then we'll get yours.
She moves though. These wings can move slightly a little bit either way. Don't get discouraged if it doesn't exactly line up. You gotta sometimes stretch to reach. Well, you're on camera now too. Here, let me have the screwdriver and I'll try to send it in while you're right there.
You got it right there.
That was it.
Yeah. And this one, or leave it loose. Leave it loose.
Leave it
Don't go
loose.
tight. Yeah. Good there.
I think that's right on.
Yeah.
See if I can just hold it there. I can't see through your finger. Am I on it?
Okay.
It goes like straight in, not sideways. Go straight up and down, Mike.
There you go, straight up and down.
No, let go. Something's wrong here. What does that look like? If I lined up or not?
Right there. Go ahead. Put it in there. Come on. There. Gotta pull it down.
I think that's it right there. Just a second. Cool your jets. There we go.
I'll tighten them all.
When you tighten these, you don't want to go crazy because this is just thin sheet metal. It should just be snug in place. Yeah, it should kind of be riding on the rubber grommets a little bit. You had something to add, Mr. Darrell?
No, I was just going to say that. Rides on the rubber grommets.
Oh, there was one screw here. We got to get that ground on.
Yeah, I will.
There we go.
Well, put it on this, or we could put it on.
It was on one of these.
Looks like there. So go ahead. I'm holding the thing.
Sure.
Waiting on you.
There we go. The ground's in place. Wonderful.
Now you want to do the zip ties. I do the zip tie back there.
Yeah, do your zip tie deal. There's some nice thick wires here. Extra. Read all about it. Oh man, I'm at 11 minutes. Straight up. Always secure these wires so they don't get pulled into the blower. And you always use two. Sometimes through time these zip ties get a little dry rotted and they'll just crack. So if you always at least put two on, it's extra safe or extra secure, however you want to say it. You got the reds out here. Get them the end cutters.
Okay. Nice and secure and a nice whip on that wire, so it's not pulling down.
Yeah, that's really. It's okay. I'll do that one sideways. Okay. Garbage box. Yes. All right. Let me kill this for a second. All right. Now we're at a point where we want to. Did you get the leak lock out? Now can you grab that and turn it this way so the camera can see? Turn the whole thing around. Got light on this side. All right. Leak lock is something you should have in your arsenal. Really good stuff. I'm just going to put a little dab on the threads. Yeah, this thing's spinning around in circles. You certainly don't want it to work its way out. Just need a little dab like that. Okay, let's see here. Hold on. There we go. Oh, shit. I can't see nothing here. This is way too hard. One-handed it, man. Come on, get in there. Okay, there we go. See, it's in. And then you want it lined up on this flat part right there. I get it pretty much down to where it's finger tight, and then crescent wrench. I'm just going to give it just a little bit, and then we give it a spin to make sure we're in a good spot here. Hold on, let me just like that. Go ahead, spin it. Are you hitting something?
What the hell's that?
Is that you playing games? You fucker. That's one thing you don't want to hear, and that's exactly what it sounds like. Daryl's being frosty today. Okay. Let me adjust this. Sorry about the picture there, folks.
I knew you were going to get that.
Yeah. What's he doing? I don't know. Okay. All right. Did I crank on that? I didn't crank on it yet. Let me give it a good crank. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I gotta go just a little bit more. Okay, that's in there snug. All right, so the motor's set up. Now let's move the light so we can see better over here, move some things out of the way, and then we're going to do this. Okay, now the fun part of getting the actual blower motor up in there. There's a couple tracks that you have to hit. Hold on, let me get this better so we can see what's going on. And got it in the track, and the same thing on the other side. She goes right back. It's got to be in the tracks. Good on that side?
Yep.
All right.
Yep. Oh yeah, this was only
Sure, okay. Yeah, and now we got the motor, the motor housing, and mounted in place. There's just a little bit of wiring we have to do. We left a lot of it on there. However, we got a few neutrals. And you said the humidifier's gone, right?
Yeah. That's right. I gotta go get that piece of.
Yeah. This is a current sensing relay, is what they call these things. And actually, a wire goes through here, and when amps from the motor activate this, and this activates a humidifier, or it can activate an electronic air cleaner. Current sensing switch. Which, where the hell does this thing go to? Oh, look, it's just cut right here. Okay.
Yeah, I told you it wasn't.
Yeah, that humidifier, that's what they had. They had a humidifier on the side. They just got rid of the humidifier, so we are going to get rid of this little current sensing relay. You know, you could use this for some crazy things. You could hook it up to somebody's furnace, and then when the fan comes on, it closes a switch that detonates.
Don't forget the gas is off if you go to Tesla.
Yeah. All right, I want to get these wires on. I don't know how well I can adjust this so everybody can see what I'm doing here. Let's try this. It's like really close. Close to you. Neutral bar. Okay, now I got a neutral here. The neutral has to get hooked up. It's probably from the power, actually. And where the hell are the neutrals? Oh, right up here. See that? Across the top here are neutrals. They always give you a couple extra terminals, so it doesn't really matter which one it goes on. That's a neutral. White's generally always neutral. Unless it's a thermostat line, then white is for heating. But high voltage, other than the terminal strip, white is generally used as a neutral. And so we have the blowers and the blower speeds, and for the capacitor. In this case, we're using the factory replacement motor. We didn't go with the universal. So again, we can go up here to the neutral bar and drop one of these on neutral. Some of them say circulator neutral, but generally speaking, a neutral is a neutral. Because that blower flew apart, I'm going to stay with the lowest blower speed. And down here we have, looks like heat is right there. That one on heat. And it looks like it's, oh my god, I can't see nothing. That's low heat. Oh look, they're really being tricky here. This is a two-stage furnace, I believe. So yeah, see we have high heat and cool. I don't know if you can see that. High heat and cool right there. So when it goes to high heat, we're going to go to orange. This orange is like medium low or whatever the hell I want to call it. Oh my god, this is fun with one hand. I got to get one of those holders. Oh my god, get in there, you frick bastard. Wires everywhere. There's that, and always we put the fastest speed on cooling. For the most part, that's true. different ton systems. Sometimes you back off on the on the blower speed, especially if you have like a big boy like this. Check the model and serial number. If this has a 5-ton drive in it and you only have a 3-ton system, you ain't going to want to be on the fastest speed. You're going to move too much air past the evaporator. And while this has air, I think it doesn't work anymore. It's a really old air conditioner out there. But yeah, that's something to watch out for. Sometimes you get these furnaces and like I said, they'll have a 5-ton drive, and on the high speed, oh my God, you'll just it just won't work exactly right. So you have to slow it down. All right, let me keep going here before I have a conniption. It's like subarctic outside. The whole world wants me. All right, and then there's park over here. This is where you put spare terminals. Put the medium high speed on that. This actually goes right underneath here. We're going to put that back here in a minute. But this is my capacitor, and I got to find a little mounting spot for that. All right, I'll show you it all when I clean it up here. All right, we got a call for heat here. See if I can move this damn thing a little bit. Clean the flame sensor, new motor's in. Here comes the boom.
Did you hit the gas?
Oh, no. Oh, the gas. Good call. Turn the gas on. Just in time.
Helps to have the gas on.
That filter was really bad, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I need a new one already.
What size is it?
I think it's 16.
20 by 25 by 1. Yep, we got some flames. We'll get the motor here. Now, I did already amp out the motor. I just put the bottom door on for ease. We're amping good. We should hear it come on here in a second. There it is. Yep. I wonder if you can see in there. I don't think you can see in there. But she's heating again, so wonderful. That's a Goodman blower motor changeout for that unit right there. GM H8 series. 2-stage. And how you can tell it's 2-stage, you see a fancy gas valve like that with 3 wires going to it, a lot of times it's 2-stage, low and high fire.